In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to use pressSIGN to assess and create standards for multi-channel jobs. To make a new standard, open a new job or select Job Settings. To the right of the standard options, click the plus button to create a new standard. In the Press Target screen, click the Standards menu and select Import. Use the Browse window to select your multi-channel profile, and now click Open. Analyzing tools will extract the channel information from your profile, and you can edit key elements of the target data to suit your requirements. pressSIGN will allow you to use preset or custom tolerances in your standard. Multi-channel printing is not defined by ISO or GRACOL, so creating realistic target tolerances is important. Once you're happy with your standard, click Next. Check the target name and the site where you wish to use the standard. Now we're going to set up a job to use the new target. We can select our new target standard and add a new name. Select our press definition that we've set for our multi-channel output. And now our 6-channel colour bar. Once we're happy with the other job settings, we can click Create. We're now ready to start measuring our multi-channel jobs.